not even knowing you.
No, that's fair. That's fair enough.
You went after me because of MRB.
Anyway, I'm not a fan of MRB.
Well,
no
I'm just saying,
more.
but you were, and that's why you started
Yeah.
after me, because you've said that.
I've seen how, and I'm sorry, I'm just going to say it. I don't care. I've seen how her, and the Ramblers can lie and twist shit. I've seen it. She done it to me. She said that your subscribers and you attacked her in my chat that night, and you didn't.
I didn't.
Nobody attacked her. She's the one
Nope.
who came in like a raging bull. And then went live, and she might not have said, she said she unsubscribed and canceled her membership. Now you and I both know, Natasha, that what we say to our chat influences them.
Oh,
And
absolutely it does.
that's why she said it a million fucking times. So, like I said, my eyes have been opened there, and I think everybody's eyes should be opened over there. I'm always going to say it the way I see it.
I do too.
Yeah. So the whole money thing and everything, I just think is irrelevant. It's what you do on your own channel, and everybody, most 90% of creators do it. They've got
And
the
that's what I'm
cash
saying.
app.
That's what I've never understood about all of it, because that every creator who trashes me goes after me for things that they do themselves.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Dorothy actually said something on her channel that got me thinking. I was listening, and she said, I really just want to know, does anybody does anybody know why all these people hate Natasha? I want to know, why do people go after me for no reason? What, I mean, how did you get roped into it?
I got a message on Twitter from one of my subscribers who had came upon your channel, and because I had spoken about different things in the past, so I think maybe that's why they came to me. But and then when I searched for you, the problem is when you search for you, Natasha, then you get all the other channels,
I know.
right? I mean, I've got it myself to a certain degree, and then you get the past and all these things. But look, let's put what cards on the table. There's not really been any proof of. I mean, I've seen accusations. I haven't seen facts about much, to be honest.
There's not facts, because it's not true. And that's what I've been saying. I mean, I've been dealing with this shit for, years. I have never, and everybody that's in here that has been with me through the Watts case knows, I have never spoken negatively about Shanann or those babies, and I do not allow any victim bashing on my true crime channel or in here. Any
Is it true she's friends with one of those guys?
She's friends with Shanann's mother.
Ah, okay.
Shanann's mother is actually a mod on her channel. That's how she grew her channel, by being friends with Shanann's mother.
No way, I don't even know who that is.
Yeah, that's how she did it. Sandy's over there. She's a mod.
Well, then that explains the views on the Chris Watts case.
Yep.
Oh dear, Mub.
Yep.
Yeah, something not right with her. I gotta say, I don't care what anybody thinks. And that's my own opinion from what I've seen and what she did to me.
Well,
So,
she has definitely profited um, from the Resheks, and they have been on her panel. They have done, you know, a lot, and it just she. I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know if she has them snowed or what, but yeah. I get so frustrated, especially with Granny's watching, because one thing happens and she literally loses her shit. But she and others can trash me day in and day out and think that, I'm just supposed to take it and not have any kind of reaction. But one thing happens to them and it's the end of the world. And it goes right back to that hypocrisy and selective outrage that I was talking about. You know, people
Yeah, I
choose
agree.
who they are upset that things happen to.
Yeah, and it's so true. It's like they people don't realize the amount of shit that you get daily, and when you see somebody react, and I'm talking about my own old community, and people are still going on about things that happened 3 years ago, when I'm still dealing with that today. I'm still getting shit today when they're moaning about something that happened 3 years ago. And you're like, have a little bit of perspective, you know what I mean? And a little bit of awareness in what other people are going through. It is double standards so bad on YouTube.
It's mm, it's really, really,
Yeah, it does make you just go, oh, fuck.
it
It
really,
really
it
does.
really does. It's I don't know. It's just it gets to the point that what do you do?
Yeah. Oh, I've thought about leaving so many times lately, more than ever.
Well, I
Yeah.
would I ever speak with Gita? Absolutely not. I have no desire to talk to her. After the absolute lies that she has told and doubled down on, and the things that she has, no, I have no respect for her as a person. None. She's a liar. She's a hypocrite. And I have no desire to talk to her. But I'm going to tell you something. And this is something that she needs to think about. She's live right now. And somebody just sent me a screenshot. Right now, she's live. Don't know what she's talking about. Don't give a shit. But she has 129 people watching her. And she says that I'm jealous because she's doing so much better than me. She has talked about taking Dalton. She's talked about Dalton buying her lingerie. She's talked about pretty much everything. I have no respect for women who act the way that she acts. None. None.
I think that Jess needs to decide what she wants that channel to be, and if she is going to be a drama channel, then she's going to have to accept that comes with being a drama channel. And I don't know if she's cut out for that. I really don't. I think maybe uh she should do something else, because clearly that it's affecting her. And if I could give her any advice, I would say, um maybe it's not for you. Drama's not for you, and to do something other than that. Because it's
Well,
just.
that's what I'm saying. I mean, when she even when she was in my chat, she was passive aggressive. Just on the true crime channel. And for her
uh
to admit that I've not ever done anything to her, but she wants to start a channel about me, and literally a hate channel. I mean, how do you wake up one day and just decide that you're going to make a channel to hate on somebody who has done nothing to you?
Well, if you do decide to do that, then you got to take what comes from that. That's just it. You can't sit and hate somebody and not expect them to clap. I hate that expression. Clap back.
I agree, and I'll tell you. And Kathy, I'm going to predict that as well. I have a feeling that she will be Merb's new BFF,
No, well,
because they're both going to need somebody to hate bond with because they're running out of others.
well, she ain't nobody's friend. MRB. I don't care. Well, maybe Scooter, but that's it. How long has she been on YouTube, Merb?
I have tried to find that out. Her channel says 2012, I think,
God, 10 years?
but she only has 40,000 subs. And if that's the case, she should have gave up a long time ago.
She ain't growing.
Nope. Save the Drama said 80 years. Well,
But
I
thank
I
you
just
for
want to say
having
that
me on.
I appreciate you coming up here, and I appreciate actually having an adult conversation, because they're very few and far between.
Well, I'm genuine in everything I said. And
I am too.
I'm like you, and I don't hold grudges, and I can move on with
Same.
people. And I hope that I'll come over next karaoke and stuff.
Yeah, make sure and don't
Oh,
forget we're doing bras next Wednesday.